Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I confidently consider the best Princess Peach costume for girls available right now. The Spooktacular Creations Halloween Pink Princess Dress. If you're looking for a costume that brings fairy tale magic to life, then stay with me because this one checks all the boxes. Let's start with what's in the box. This isn't just a dress. It's an entire transformation kit for your little princess. You get a long pink dress adorned with a sparkling blue gemstone badge, a regal golden crown headband, a glamorous blonde wig, a pair of elegant blue earrings, and soft, flowing pink gloves that complete the royal look. Altogether, this set delivers a full head-to-toe ensemble worthy of the Mushroom Kingdom itself. Now let's talk craftsmanship and comfort. The costume is made from 100% high-quality polyester, and it absolutely shows. The satin top is designed with a ruffled collar and bubble sleeves that give off classic princess energy. The multi-layer pleated hem, complete with a mesh overlay and coated print, adds volume and elegance that twirls beautifully when your child spins. It's not just visually stunning, it's comfy too. The material has a touch of stretch to make sure your little one can wear it for hours of fun without feeling restricted. And let's be honest, durability matters. This isn't a one-time wear costume. Thanks to its machine-washable care instructions, it's built for repeat appearances, birthday parties, Halloween, school events, or just dress-up days around the house. No fading, no fraying, no fuss. Now, versatility. This costume is ready for more than just Halloween. Think cosplay parties, stage performances, themed birthdays, or even those spontaneous princess tea parties. It's a crowd pleaser in any setting. The blend of quality and completeness makes it perfect for parents who don't want to hunt for matching accessories or worry about putting together a full outfit. It's already done for you in one neat package. Another great point, the size range. This dress is available in sizes ranging from 3T for toddlers to large for preteens. So there's an option for nearly every age group. Whether your child is 3 or 12, there's a magical fit waiting for them. Visually, the dress is undeniably peach-inspired, with just the right color palette and finishing details to give it that classic video game charm without being a carbon copy. So whether your child is dressing as a classic princess or a beloved character, this costume nails the look. To sum it all up, the Spooktacular Creations Princess Peach-style costume is more than just a pretty dress. It's a full package, well-made, comfortable, and magical outfit designed to make any little girl feel like royalty. For the price of $37.99, it's a high-value option that offers much more than its price tag suggests. So if you're on the hunt for a complete princess costume that stands out from the crowd, this one is a top-tier choice. Don't forget to check out the size chart before buying to get the perfect fit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you'd like us to review more dress-up outfits or costumes. See you in the next video.